I will show you how to solve these two questions, okay? The first one is we need to show this length is 1.7321k when this length and this length is 2k and 4k, okay? And then the second one is you need to figure out the value of k when the volume of this prism is this one, okay? Right, so first one is we need to figure out this length. And if you look at the question here, this is 60 degrees, and it is 2k and 4k, and this is a trapezium, which means this is a basically symmetrical, okay? So from here to here is 2k, and from here to here is 4k. So if you think of that, from here to here, how much is that in terms of k? This is k, isn't it? K plus 2k is 4k, okay? Which means if you want to figure out fp, which is you can focus on this triangle, right? Right angle triangle. And this is opposite, this is adjacent. So we are using TOR. Remember, basically when you're finding the height, you use tangent, okay? So tangent 60 degrees is FP over K. So we need to know this one in terms of K and tangent. So in this case, variable is on the top. So the FP equal K times by tangent 60. And then if you are typing tangent 60 on the calculator, tangent 60. This one's 1.732, and if you run to the decimal for 4 decimal places, it's going to be 1, isn't it? So this one is 1.7321k meter, okay? Then usually if you are looking at the excellence questions, there are usually 2 questions there, and then we are usually use answer from this one to figure out answer for the second one. Then the second question is trying to figure out this volume in terms of k, and then if you connect that value with this actual number and then solve for k, then you can find the value of k, isn't it? Okay. If you look at the formula sheet, you can figure out, you know how to find the area of trapezium, okay? And then if you want to figure out the volume of it, you just times by depth, okay? Which is to figure out the area of this one, top length plus bottom length times by height and then divide by 2. The height is this one, wasn't it? 1.7321. So height is 1.7321k. And then, right, this part is the top is 2k. And the bottom is 4k. And then if you divide by 2, this one is gonna be the area of this one, isn't it? Okay. Then you do times by 8k. This one is going to be the volume of this one in terms of k, isn't it? So I just quickly calculate this one. 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then this part is going to be 6k, isn't it? So 6 times by 4 is 24. And then k times k times k is k to the power of 3. So 1.7321 times by 6 times by 4, which is 24, times by k to the power of 3. This one becomes 649.519, right? So to figure out the value of k, you need to make k to the power of 3 isolated on left side, isn't it? Which means you are doing the opposite. If you divide by both sides by this one, you can get rid of this one, isn't it? And then if you do divide by 24 on both sides, you can get rid of this one. So what you have to do is 649.1519 divided by 1.7321 divided by 24. Let's type it in the calculator. Okay, then this one is gonna be 15.6245. Let's say k to the power of 3 is 15.625. Okay, and then I will figure out k, which is, you do cube root, isn't it? 15.625. So I just typed in cube root this one, and then 15.265. This one is at 2.5. So 2.5 meter. This is answer.